with a bunch of fun different herbs. We got eucalyptus,
got some lavender,
rose petals, some baby breaths, yes, all the good stuff. Basil, rosemary, and then crystals. I'm going to use a citrine today.
No, you're not.
Taylor's going to use a citrine today, and I'm going to use just a clear quartz. All right, let's get started.
Basil, rosemary,
all the herbs.
So we just went and cut some sage pieces off of our plant and let them dry for a night. And we have, some fresh lavender. So we just cut them so they're kind of the same size. They're gonna be easy to wrap that way. And you wanna wrap them when they're still fresh.
Yeah, just a little wet.
Yeah, if they're dry, it's gonna be really difficult.
So I'm just collecting mine and wrapping it around.
Bunch them all together. Keep them as tight as you can.
You can use any herbs that you have in your garden. Yeah, use all of the herbs that we have. Very good therapy.
Oh, it is. This is like a meditation in itself, honestly.
Yeah. Oh, look at her go.
Oh, she looks so good.
I put all this stuff in the middle that's strong, and then I'm just gonna wrap the sage around it.
Eucalyptus is like the skeleton of the
the backbone.
Keeps it together.
It smells so good.
It does. Oh my gosh.
Wish you guys could smell through this.
Wrap all the way around. If you want to add more stuff in now, it'll probably be way easier.
Yeah, if your string long enough, yeah, you can wrap in between. We were doing this in a past life. This is going a little too well.
Really though. So cute. Let's do my citrine. Get some abundance going. And then you just wrap it, hold that crystal real tight. Oh, these are so cute. Super fun to do like a meditation with too, or even a ritual. You could like set a specific intention for the sage bundle and the crystal with it. That's so fun. I'll be doing that.
Yeah.
Look how cute!
We have our little sage bundles. Super easy, see, super fast and fun. And you get to play with some fun, fresh herbs. It's so good for your heart. Also, going to be giving away one of these beautiful guys. So stay tuned for that. We'll be putting the instructions in the comments below. And then yeah, we're gonna be selling some of these too. So if you wanna get your own creative custom bundle, just let us know what you want and we'll make it for you. Oh, hope you guys have a great day.
Namaste.
Yeah.
Happy smudging.